Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today I've not come up with a recipe. Instead, I'm here to give my reviews on the brand of oven that I've purchased recently. It's an IFB brand oven of 23 liters. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to it.
I ordered it from Amazon and it has been delivered in a good condition. So let's cut open the packaging. It's a 23 liter oven. You can see the model number 23BC4. Now there's a starter kit also attached to this oven carton. They had mentioned it while purchasing it from Amazon that starter kit is available along with this oven. I'll open it and show it to you after some time. Now there's a cookery book also that has been given along with this kit. Now I'll cut open the carton. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. So we have unpacked the oven from the carton and you can see that there's one more covering on this oven. Next I will open the oven and show. Inside the oven they have placed some more accessories. The roller guide which supports the turntable has been sealed, so I'll just remove the tape. The other things that they have kept inside is the microwave oven's manual. Now behind they have carefully secured the microwave oven's glass turntable and the ring. So first place the ring and then the glass turntable on top of it. Next they have given a tray. This can be used for baking pizzas. They've also given two types of grilling trays, one big one and a small one, which can be used for grilling chicken, sandwiches, etc. So that's all with the items which were kept inside the oven. Now let's move on to the starter kit. Now we have a cookery book provided with this oven which has dishes from all over India and which can be baked or cooked inside the oven. Next comes the IFB oven's manual. It gives you a quick guide on how to use the menu functions. Let's cut open the starter kit. Now this has a lot of vessels that can be used inside the microwave oven. Please note that these vessels cannot be used in convection mode. They can be used only for basic heating purposes. For cooking, grilling or for baking in convection mode, you need to purchase oven suitable vessels or borosilicate glass bowls. So we have got a roti crisper, pizza base warmer and papad crisper. There's another bowl with lid and there's a measuring cup placed inside. Here is another bowl which can be used for heating purposes and also for making idlis. There are two idli stands placed inside. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to know how to bake idlis inside microwave oven. So that's it with the utensils. Now let's go on to the auto menu function. Switch on the oven. Now there are some timer buttons over here. Pressing these buttons you can increase or decrease, set the timing by 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds or 1 second. You can manually set timing over here. Set the amount of time and then press on the start button. To stop, press on the left hand button. So that was the basic part. Now let's move on to the other functions. Now these are auto cook menus. There are 9 auto cook menu buttons in this machine. It will decide the time. You have to just select the button and start the oven. So the first one is cake option. You can bake only up to 475 grams of cake batter. So select the menu option, place the said amount of cake batter inside and press on the start button. Next is the reheat option. You can reheat food depending upon their weight. It starts from 200 grams and goes up to 800 grams. On the next button you can see the coffee tea symbol. It depends upon the number of cups. You can heat up to maximum of 3 cups. Next is the spaghetti option. Using this auto cook menu you can cook up to 300 grams of spaghetti. Next comes the potato option. You can select the number of potatoes, maximum up to 3 you can select, and then you can press on the start option to cook them. The next one is popcorn menu. You can cook up to 99 grams of popcorn. Next is the pizza option. You can start from 150 grams and you can bake up to 450 grams of pizza using this auto cook menu. Now the next menu option shows a baby milk bottle sign. It starts from 100 ml. You can warm up to 200 ml of milk. It will be lukewarm. So next is the tandoor option. It starts from 800 grams and it goes up to 1400 grams. So we finished with the auto cook menu options. Now for the next one, I have taken a bowl filled with water. squeeze juice of half of a lemon. Now place this bowl inside and close the oven. Press on the steam clean option. It will run for 5 minutes. It will steam clean the cavity. After 5 minutes, switch off the oven, take the bowl outside and wipe the inside part with a clean cloth. The next menu option is keep food warm or ferment. If you have cooked some food and you want to maintain the temperature of that food, you can select this option, keep the food inside and press on the start button. Else, if you want to set curd or for fermenting dosa idli batters, you can use this menu option. Now the next one is disinfect option. If you have not used your oven for 1 month or so, there might be a growth of bacteria due to the food stuck inside. This menu option runs for 1 minute. It will disinfect the inner cavity. You can then wipe it out clean with a cloth. The next one is microwave power level option. Like in the normal gas stove, like how you increase or decrease the temperatures, in the same way you need to reduce the temperature for some recipes, especially for tea, coffee or liquid items. You need to decrease the power level to 60 or 70. So accordingly set the desired temperature, then press on the start button and your food will get cooked in that temperature. The next one is grilling option. You can do only the grilling part, so you have to keep cooked food inside. C1 would be for paneer and fish and C2 is for chicken. Now next is the main menu option. It is the preheat or convection option. This can be used for baking cakes, cookies and other bakery items. For example, if you have selected 200 degrees Celsius, press on the start option. It will not run, it will just show 30 minutes, but it will not run for 30 minutes. It will run for just 2 or 3 minutes and then it will stop. This means that inside of the oven has reached the desired temperature. Then again set the temperature and set the time 10 minutes for cookies and pizza, and for cake it will take up to 70 minutes. Now the next one is microwave plus convection option. In this option you can bake as well as roast your food. You can select up to 200 degrees Celsius. Now there is a wait defrost option. This works like an auto cook menu. If you have any food item in the freezer and you need to bring it quickly to room temperature, then you can select this option, select the number of grams and then press on the start button. Now the last one is power save option, which lies between the stop and start button. When you press on this, the display will be black and the oven goes into standby state. It will be into power saving mode until you press on any other keypad. So before posting this video, I had tried few recipes in this oven to give an honest review about the product. So this is a cake recipe. It came out really perfect. You can see the texture of the cake. It has risen really well and it is really soft and moist from inside. The next recipe that I had tried is a plain bread recipe. The bread was also baked to perfection. You can see that the crust is really shiny and crisp, and from inside it is really soft and spongy. If you want these recipes, please do let me know in the comment section below. For more IFB oven related recipes, stay tuned to Kitchen Revelations. Thanks for watching.